Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of Uttarakhand trip, and we are on a trip of Uttarakhand in which we are visiting a lot of places in Uttarakhand. Till now we covered Tehri and Dhanaulti. In the last video we covered Mussoorie, and this video we're planning to go to Rishikesh, and after that there are a lot of places. So in Rishikesh we'll do a famous activity also known as river rafting, but before that I'll show you this property because I did not show you. So yep, let's go and see what is there in the property. So let's see this property. So when you come here, they will take you, they will pick up you from this vehicle, and you will come till here with a vehicle, and you need to go up where the main resort starts. So that was the main entrance. So let's go this way. And if you don't remember, that blue house was our building. You get many rooms like this one. Here many rooms are there. If you go up, you see that little bit board. So that is the entrance for Gun Hill Point. You can trek and go, but we are going through Club Mahindra with stairs. Little bit tiring. Yes. But okay. It's a commando net for activities. So we climbed from there and came to the top. And this is like the Gun Hill top. And this is where we go up there. And me and Sona went that night and we took few photos, but this way we didn't go because it was not lighted also. We'll go this way now, but first let's see the Gun Hill Point. So this is the morning view from the Gun Hill Point. You can see the night view also in front photo eyes. We climbed little more up and came here. So RK Studio Himalayan view. They are currently closed now. Let's see what do we get here. This is the Gun Hill Point, and that is in a gun shape, so it is like Gun Hill. Guys, we went to the Gun Hill Point, and the second route which I told, that's like a Gun Hill Point trekking. We were in Mahindra, so we went directly with steps. Otherwise you can go by trekking also from another route. And this is the way for the restaurant. Now we are going to have our breakfast here. The restaurant is like, that is the main where all the programs are held. And if we go that side there, then we'll go to the Happy Hub and to the Gun Hill Point. And if we come this side, we'll go to the Panorama restaurant, multi-cuisine restaurant. This is morning buffet breakfast menu. So we are taking a buffet here. We get all these items, dishes.
French toast
French toast. This is idli sambar. This is idli, and here is poha and vada. Here is suji upma. Here grilled tomato and sauteed vegetable, matar gobi and puri. Here some plain raita. Here aloo paratha. Here baked bhindi, and here you get chocos and cornflakes also. Here cutleries, here milk also, and here this syrup, this maple syrup, bonvita, and I guess this is some coffee powder or tea powder, I don't know. This is like French toast, and this is boiled milk. So that is all for breakfast here, you can see. This is the happy hub here. It opens at 9 o'clock and shuts at 7 o'clock in the evening. You can see there's huge one, TT and air hockey. This is paid, and you have PS and Xbox, that is also paid. Carom, chess, and these all games. These all games are not paid. These are free. These games, but only Xbox, PS, and air hockey are paid. And and you can ride cycles also if you take packages. So guys, we are ready. We took our breakfast also, as you saw. We went to the happy hub, and now is the checkout time. It is almost 10. We'll check out now, and we'll head towards Rishikesh, and we'll do some sports, and we'll take our hotel also there. So we'll now just check out, and we'll directly head to Rishikesh. This is the Dehradun city. So we almost reached Rishikesh, and here now in Rishikesh we'll do a very famous activity known as the river rafting. So our cousins will be going to the river rafting, and we will be going to Lakshman Jula. We are going to Lakshman Jula, and our cousins went to do the river rafting. I think you saw that shot right now, and we are doing the river rafting that side, and we will go to Lakshman Jula, and let's see what is there. So guys, now that is the mandir, and we are on a bridge, and down it is the Ganga river. Guys, we had little bit some cold drinks and ice creams. Now we will be going to this temple or viewpoint, you can say. So we'll go there, and we'll see what is inside it. So let's go there first. We visited Lakshman Jula, and now we came to Madras Cafe. So now we ate our lunch. Guys, we got ready, and now we are going to Triveni Ghat Aarti Darshan, and at the place we were in, that was a ashram. I'll show you that also. It is from there we can see the Ganga river. So let's go and see how is the Aarti going on. So guys, we are at the second floor of this ashram. I'll give you a full tour now. We are at the top floor, and this room is my cousin's room, and this one is our room. So we'll go down. Like me and Swarna went down and saw one Shiv Mandir, one Hanuman temple view like this. This is full ashram. And here you can see the ashram, and there I'll show you all the things. And this is I think some mandir, I think some mandir. You can sit there and do whatever you like. And I think this is the reception area, and that is the parking. And here, this one is the main gate from where everybody enter and go. This one. This one is the main gate. So let us go down and see what else are there. So let's go down and see. There's a Bhojan Kaksh also. We didn't see that. So let's go there. This is the main place of this ashram. This is the place. And you can see Mickey right up there, and you can see this is the main gate here, and there are rooms up right there. All the rooms are there, and here is the car parking. It's a lot of space to park. Yeah, and there you can sit there and do like any program you want to celebrate, anything.
No, they did themselves. It was not here before.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
There's like some program going on. So this is the Shiv Mandir here. You have a Shiv Mandir as well. Shiv Mandir. And here where the kitchen is. So let's go to the other side and see the Hanuman Mandir. So let's go there.
Mandir, I think it is that side.
Yeah, that's the opposite side. So let's go there first.
Good ऐसे.
So here's where the Shiv Mandir is. I mean not the Shiv Mandir, the Hanuman Mandir, and this is where the Hanuman Mandir is there, and this is the Bhojan Kaksh.
Which one?
This is the Bhojan Kaksh here.
This is where we
So we found these places. Guys, this is our room, and here is the bathroom. Here you get two beds, two double beds here, and here when you come this side you get two like chairs and one table. Here you get the almirah to put, and this door leads us to that bathroom only. And here if you come here you get the beautiful view of the river Ganga. You can see there the Ganga river.
This is the Ganga river we went to, right?
Yeah, that's one. And you see
The
something
other
here. This one, this line. After that also, that's the Ganga river.
Yeah.
And we are in the middle, and we can see the whole view from here. With this beautiful view of river Ganga, today's video ends here. Tomorrow we will go to Gwaldam. In between, we will visit many Prayags, Dev Prayag, Rudra Prayag, and Karna Prayag. Each of them have their own specialty. And our cousins will go to Delhi. They'll also visit Haridwar. So we'll go to Gwaldam. They'll go to Delhi. And that's all for today's video. Meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.